Good morning. This is Blue Sky Pilot RC. Second flight of the Blade 230S version 2 collective pitch helicopter, brushless main rotor, brushless tail rotor. It's going to be my second flight. I'll be the first flight flying this in collective pitch mode, intermediate collective pitch mode, which is low head speed. I'm going to go ahead and take off in safe, warm up a little bit, hover in front of the camera, do a couple circuits in fixed pitch safe, and then we'll switch into intermediate mode collective pitch and fool around with that for a bit. All right, there we go. All right, folks, I'm going to go ahead and switch her into a collective pitch mode now. There we go. Some altitude here. Okay, folks, I just did some pretty fast circuits, a lot of it off camera probably, in intermediate collective pitch mode. I'm back at safe now. I'm going to go switch back again and do some more flying here. All right, folks, that was a real enjoyable little flight there. As I said, I took off at safe, switched in and out of intermediate mode, collective pitch, back and forth, did some practicing. I did a fast circuit or two in the collective pitch, intermediate, low head speed, low rates, and she's pretty fast. And probably because of the extra size and weight of this helicopter, and the extra power, she got brushless main rotor and tail rotor. She's a lot harder to hover in even intermediate collective pitch mode than the 130S is. Yeah, so you gotta when you transition from a fixed pitch mode in safe on this helicopter, you gotta be real cautious, because even in low rates, when you switch, and even in intermediate collective pitch mode, you gotta really be on the sticks, and you gotta be careful to make slight stick corrections. It's easy to overcorrect. All right. So that was a great flight. Wonderful flight. I had a super good time. And I learned a lot. Yeah. So there you go. Going from fixed pitch safe into intermediate mode collective pitch, low head speed on this helicopter. I'm finding you want to ease into it. And so like I said, I took off to safe, fixed pitch, warmed up, and then I switched into intermediate mode. And if I started getting a little bit, overwhelmed, I switched back into safe, regained, smooth control, and then back into collective pitch intermediate mode again. So there you go, folks. Fantastic helicopter. Can't beat it. So we'll keep practicing our intermediate collective pitch flying, and another couple of flights we ought to have that down. Yeah, we ought to have that down, a couple of flights. Alright, this is Blue Sky Pilot RC. Thanks for watching. Second flight, first collective pitch intermediate mode test flight with the Blade 230S version 2 collective pitch helicopter. I have the ready to fly version, which comes with the bare bones but quite adequate DXD transmitter. Alright, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. This is Blue Sky Pilot RC signing off. Bye-bye.